Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on or off the theft detection lock on your Samsung Galaxy A27. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings. Then in the settings you'll find you'll find the security and privacy. Now you can scroll down until you find it's going to be here, lost device protection, find theft protection, and then you can find theft detection lock. That works if you have your phone unlocked and walking around, and if someone takes your unlocked phone and runs away with it, it will lock the screen. To do it, click on turn on, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.